We'll guide you through how to set Gemini as a default voice assistant on a Samsung Galaxy phone. If you find this useful, then consider subscribing and liking the video. Gemini is the latest AI voice assistant we can go and use. We're going to guide you through how you can use it. So at the moment, if I go and say, "Hey Google," it goes and opens up the Google Assistant, but I want to go and change that to Gemini. To go about this, it's much easier than you probably think. Make sure to do this full guide and don't skip anything, so you know what you need to do. So we can go and swipe up like this, and then what you want to do is go and find settings. Alternatively, you can go and search at the top as well. Let's go and find it. Also back there, you can go and swipe across to go and find it. Next, on the settings, you want to go and scroll down and you can go and find the option for Google, and there it is, as you can see. Now, what you want to do here is go to the right and press all services. Scroll down, go and find the option for Search Assistant and Voice and go and tap here. Next, you want to then go and find the option for Google Assistant. Now in here, you want to go and scroll down until you go and find Digital Assistants from Google, and you want to tap there. Then as you can see, we've got the option for Gemini. We can go and tap there, confirm you want to go and switch. Make sure you read this through and you can then go and press Use Gemini at the bottom right. That's it. Now when I go and say, "Hey Google," Gemini is going to go and be used. If you found this useful, then consider subscribing and liking the video.